wanted to come on here really quick because there are some new products from Tressalure's Tress Tech line. Now, you know they have the wig wax, which I absolutely love. I can't say enough great things about it, but they have released some new products. I'm going to do little videos and then full videos on each of them, but I just wanted to get this out quickly. You can purchase these from me on my website. You can purchase them on tmwigs.com. But the first one, let's talk about what we have. They've released a dry shampoo, and it says volumizes, cleans hair by absorbing dirt, oil, sweat, and odor. These are for synthetic fibers. Oh my gosh, look at, aren't these so nice? Same sort of box and everything, or not box, packaging and everything. And then they also have a dual leave-in conditioner. It says instantly tames frizz by adding softness, smoothness, and shine. So we have that. And then we already have the wig wax, but they released a travel size wig wax. So I just wanted to share that with you really, really quickly. Stay tuned. I'll be putting up videos as soon as I can get them out. Okay.